How to put arrows in Google Doc. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So for arrows, you have to go to insert, then go to special characters, and you can easily draw a symbol of arrow over here like this, and you will get several arrows, like you will get different varieties of arrows. If you want an upward arrow, draw like this, you will get it. Downward arrow, sideways, and yeah, like this you will get whatever you want. As you can see, there are so many arrows I have made. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.